What's going on, chat? Going on, man? What's going on, chat? Mic check. Oh shit, this monitor is off. Hold up. Where the hell is the... Oh no, we're good. Yeah, what up, chat? What's going on, man? New day, you know? It's been a long day. It's been a long... Actually, no, it's been a day. I'm tripping. It's been like 1 day since I've seen you guys. I didn't stream yesterday, but... You know, we're back today. Back with another day with your boy. Mr. Undefeated has to reveal himself. Yo, that's crazy still. That's funny. No, that's crazy though. That is pretty crazy. Like, I don't think we've ever been undefeated. You know? I was sick yesterday, so we can't really do much. But I think June was close. June was like... June 20... Nah, I lied. No, June on stream was undefeated. Off stream, we took 6 losses. But... Yeah, we never had a undefeated month, chat, ever. That's like a... You know, that's crazy. 1 month. With some decent trades too, you know, like 12 trades, 12 wins. Like, I think 15 trades is decent. Like, you know, if I took like 4 trades, like 3 trades, you know, different story. But like, if I took like 15 trades, you know, that's a decent handful, you know. And obviously half the month I was gone, or first week of the month I was gone too. So, but yeah, it was a good month. I mean, what can I say? It was a good month percentage wise, a good month, you know, win wise, a good month everything wise. So it was pretty decent. But yeah, chat, let's go start the day off. Let's do the analysis. Enough of, you know, what happened last month. Let's move on to March, because March is gonna be a killer month, or expected to be a killer month today, you know, or this month. All right, March 1st. Last March we finished off with, I think, around I put my headsets on because I can't hear you guys. Even though you guys aren't talking to me, I still can't hear you guys. Hold on. Summertime. Hold on, I can't hear nothing. All right, so we're good now. All right, so chat, yeah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, last March. What did we do last March? Last March we did. Last March we didn't do that bad, you know. 29 wins, 3 break evens, 5 losses. Not too bad last month. I mean, yeah, but last March was basically when the whole Ukraine thing started, Ukraine war started. So there's lots of volatility in the market. So yeah, that advantage last year. But I mean, yeah, it's the end of quarter one. Quarter two, you guys know that's when usually the best time to trade is usually, right? Quarter two, quarter three of the year, and we're coming close to quarter three. Quarter three starts in April. So yeah, let's have a killer month, chat. Let's hop on to the charts real quick and see what's going on today. So wait, did I have this? Okay, cool. Put some GJ. All right, so starting off here, let me actually send the Zoom call real quick, and then we'll get right into it. I should be on stream for quite a bit today, or depending, to be honest. I think we might get an early trade. There's no news today, which is good. That's perfect. I love when there's no news because nothing is in our way, except for 10 a.m. But I mean, that's 10 a.m., right? If you get news at 10 a.m., get news at 10 a.m. It is what it is. But yeah, let me just send this link real quick. Boom, boom. Sorry, I'm reading something. My bad. Yeah, chat. Let's get into the analysis real quick. All right. So let's see here. Where's my annotations? There it is. Boom. All right. So new month. So start off the monthly time frame. See what's going on from here. All right. So new month here. It shows you that we are obviously you have a pretty strong bearish closure at resistance. Now, if you look left here, right? Look left. Look at what level price kind of tapped into before it made its way kind of down, right? So obviously look left here, there was once a resistance like right around here, right? So price created resistance here, and then price ended up closing bearish at this resistance here, right? Same thing happened here, same thing happened there, same thing should happen here. And as we're closing bearish at resistance here, there's a high chance that price could likely make its way down towards the next support, and that could take you up to down to basically these levels to the left, right around, why am I doing that? Right around here, right in these zones here. Because if you look left, the last time price kind of closed bearish resistance here, where did price come down towards? Came down towards here. This one over here, oops, let me hide this one too. This one over here came down, closed bearish here as well, came down towards here. So this one came down here, this one came down here, this one close to resistance came down towards like these levels down here, obviously. So I'm expecting the same thing to happen here, right? Every time you close bearish at this resistance at the 2000 mark, you kind of made its way down towards next support, which is going to be anywhere in these zones here, right? I'm going to average it out. There's like you came down towards here, and this one came down like kind of towards there. So I'm just average out to here, right? So that is where I'm targeting this month for price. Gonna target that support to the left hand side at the 1760, right, which is those levels looking left. You got some range going down. You have got a nice well, not some range, you have a lot of range going down, like 800 pips going down. Obviously it's a big range for a monthly time frame, right? So it could be an algo month, who knows, it could be an algo month, we'll see. But off of our historical data, it shows that every time price closed at resistance here before, it made its way down. So I'm expecting the same thing to occur this month, as we close heavily bearish on the monthly. So yeah, pretty bearish for the monthly. Now let's drop down to the weekly and see what's up here. I think the weekly is pretty bearish as well. I mean, look left there, you kind of close back into these ranges here to the left, and by the looks of it, or did you actually close below? I mean, there is a support down here that you kind of have here. If you guys look here, oops, right around right around here, right? You have like a minor support here, so like that could be your weekly target. I think that level is 1790, 1780. So you got some range going down. It's definitely clean, but you gotta flip bearish first, obviously, right? Obviously right now we're bullish. The weekly just started. It kind of opened up and created a top wick. So I believe if we were to flip bearish this week, you'll see it happen on a smaller time frame, and we can anticipate sells. But I think the daily right now is heavily bullish, right? So obviously we're bullish for a day. But as for the monthly's opened up. It's gonna create a top wick. Obviously, it's likely gonna tap into the levels of the 1880 mark probably before it makes its way down, if anything. So yeah, plenty of range for buys to go up, and we can take advantage of those buys, obviously. But yes, 1872, 1880 is like where you're looking at for a top wick for the monthly time frame. The weekly, again, pretty bearish, doing the same thing. You can easily break the highs and still drive down at a given point. The daily time frame, pretty bullish here. As you can see, you didn't really close above like this range to the left here. You sort of just close, you sort of just create a support right around here in these levels here, right? There's obviously a support being created here. You create a resistance here, or you haven't created resistance here just yet. You're at resistance though, I can tell you that. But if price were to close bearish today or tomorrow, there's a high chance that price will likely do something like this. And as it does something like this, that is when the weekly starts to flip bearish. So as the monthly starts to flip bearish as well, right? But again, with the monthly shows that we have range going up to 1870. So what could happen today is you could close above the range, and then tomorrow we could see a continuation in price, or even today we might see a continuation in price. But all I know is that as of right now, as of today, price technically is still below these levels here, right? This candle here is still below these levels here, and since it's still below these levels, at any given point it can still flip bearish. So keep that in mind. It doesn't mean that we're bearish, doesn't mean anything, but we do have an indecision close, which is that just like a bullish closure at resistance. You didn't really break above resistance. You can just at resistance. So yeah, any given point price could flip bearish. There's that. I mean, if we were to go up today though, you do have resistance at the 1846 mark. So that is your next target, you can say. 1844, 1846, anywhere in those ranges. So what we're gonna do today, or what I'm gonna do today, is we're gonna see here. I mean, the FOREX kind of closed pretty bullish here. That was a pretty nice FOREX close during the London session. Price ended up making its way up. Nice, that's cool. Let's see here. You have 1 hour close in about 8 minutes here. This 1 hour is unclosed, doji or bearish probably in 8 minutes here. So there's a resistance being created right here. There's obviously a support being created right here. So that's the range you're in. Yeah, that's the range you're in. Let's see. So you're not closing above. What is that level? 1836. Close above 1836. Okay, cool. So this is pretty straightforward. 1838. There's that level right here to the left hand side. Move it up to here because it's an extra couple of pips, but it is the most recent major resistance. So 1838.766 is your resistance. So I would assume that if we were to break above that range again, then buys would be clean to go up towards the next resistance, which takes you up towards the 1841, 1842. Yeah, I can say, let's see. Yeah, 1841 seems about right. Anywhere in these zones here, probably. So yeah, chat, you close above 1838. I will take buys above there until 1841. You have a nice 40 to 30 pip range in that area, 35, I believe. Yeah, buys above here, so let's put that up. Pretty straightforward day with the day of buys being bullish. If price were to break above there, we'll get buys going up, obviously, especially after grabbing liquidity in the zones here. If this is a liquidity grab, right? Or we could get sells today, because you can anticipate the daily candle to flip bearish, but that is going to be 1826. So where can we get sells below? Probably range 2 breakout. So not here, not below 1836. I know there is a resistance or slash support right here where we currently are, but that is not enough for me to take sells below just yet. I'm gonna need sells to be below, what is this level? Is this your support? I'm just trying to see where the support is, chat, real quick. 1835. Cool. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's pretty sure for support. Yeah, so that's for support. So yeah, sells below here are definitely not for me. No, I mean, I'm gonna need a range 2. So range 2 as of right now, technically speaking, chat, could be below 1833. You could say it could be below here. I mean, yeah, you could say it could be below here, like below 1833. You close below 1833, you can get range 2 breakout sells, and then range 2 breakout sells will take you down, coming down towards these levels to the left here, which is 1831 or slash even like 1829 in those zones there. That is a range 2 breakout. It either could be, if this is your range 1 here, right? If this is your range 1, fuck. If this is your range 1 here, right? Let me use a different color. Range 1 here. This is your range 2 here, right? Then this would be your range 2 breakout below here, so you can take sells below here. It's either that, or if you don't like this range here that you're breaking into, which is in these levels here between 33 and 29, you could probably just take sells below 29, coming down towards the 27 and so forth, right? 27 and even like 25, because there's more range going down below 29 levels. So there's that. But as of right now, as of 6:55 a.m., I would probably avoid this range here because we don't have any ranges formed yet. This one and this range. I'll take my buys above here. I'll take my sells below here. Cool. So whatever happens in between 38 to 33, I can care less about because it ain't our ranges, right? You can drive up or drive down 1,000 pips. I can care less. It ain't my positions, it ain't my ranges. The only way I can take sells below here, by the way, below 33, is if you get a closure below. So if you get price closing below this range like so, and then you sort of get like some type of bullish closure here, right, confirming your resistance, and then as that forms and you close something like this below those levels like so, then yeah, at that point I'll take my sells coming down. I'll take my sells coming down towards the next support, and we'll take sells coming down towards 29 and 23 and such, right? But for the buys, obviously pretty straightforward buys. Buys will just be a simple closure above these ranges here. So if we were to close above like 2038, we'll take buys going up towards the next level, but I'm gonna need a closure above there. Oops, wrong colors. I'm gonna need a closure above here, right above 38. Pretty straightforward. I wouldn't really take the fake out back into this range here, to be honest. I'd rather take buys once you actually break out above 38, because above 38 is also going to be the 1 hour break at highs, 4 hour break at highs, and all the daily and everything break at highs, right? So I'd rather take those buys than take the buys above 36, 37, because it might be a little tough here. Even though it could be a fake out still, yes, but it might be a little tough, especially since the 1 hour count is going to close. Well, let's see here. You have 2 minutes left. Anything can happen here. But depending on how the 1 hour closes, it will tell you kind of more information here. So we'll wait for that in 2 minutes here, because it can still close above here, you know, come down, break the lows, and still flip and drive bullish. But for those buys to happen on this next hour candle, you're going to need to really close above 36.33. But yeah, chat, that is it. Straightforward analysis. Pretty simple day today. You know, you have your levels drawn up. Now you just kind of got to sit here and wait for the subs to occur. And once they do occur, you can look to anticipate positions for price action today. All right. Any questions? Any questions, chat? All right, hold on. I'm on top chat. This is live chat. So what, huh? So what? So buy or sell? Yeah. How much is Don's haircut? My haircuts are always like around like 50, 60. Not even too crazy, but around there. I know cuts that cost like $100. My cuts are around 50, 60. I like 60 with $10 tip. water, man. I'm feeling better than yesterday. Yeah, I just had like I was a little sick, but I'm fine. I'm fine today. Yeah. Are you gonna update the record EXE? Yes, I am gonna update the record EXE. I wonder who understands that joke. Record EXE. Not a lot of people understand. Only OGs, or maybe not even OGs, but only gamers might understand that joke. Play better music? I can't. This is copyright free stuff that I can play. Yeah, I would play better music. Trust me. We have in the past, but ain't gonna happen anymore. You know. Times change. YouTube might strike me one day. Church taken. What's it called again? It is called. Oh no, church taken has nothing. I'm tripping. Records. It's a new month. Don was sick of not having 100% month yesterday. Huh? Oh yeah, you're right. I don't remember how to listen to music as copyrights. Yeah, I mean I can play it. I can play copyright music. I'll be fine. I won't get a strike for it. I'll just get a copyright claim like I have in the past. Right? If you guys look at all my old stuff, like I think our streams are just basically, they're basically just to look at them. If I show you guys them real quick, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it. Watch. It's gonna say visibility here or monetization. It's gonna say copyright. If this can pop up real quick. Yeah. So, you know, this year, you know, we've been sticking to the plan. You know, we haven't really been playing copyright. But then last year, look, another ball. Like every stream last year was copyrighted because we just played music. Like, look at this. I don't get paid for last year's streams. I haven't got paid till this year on YouTube, basically. The thing about it, I don't mind me getting copyrighted, but sometimes certain songs get blocked. You know, certain songs get blocked. They're on my Spotify, so I don't know what songs get blocked or not. Again, I don't know what songs get blocked, but I know that that's what could happen. So it's not about it being, I don't care for it being copyrighted, but some streams get blocked and you guys can't view them and then you guys complain. So I'd rather just play copyright free and have you guys not complain. You know what I mean? How much you make from last stream on YouTube? Nothing. Like maybe like 50% closure at 10 pips on my lot size. You know, 50% closure at 10 pips. a month. That's nothing. Or maybe less sometimes even, like, you know, 8 pips half closure a month. Like I don't make anything on YouTube. If you close above 1846, if you close above, probably gonna drive up to 1846, right? If you close above 1838, I'm looking at 1841. If you close above 1841, you're looking at, yeah, 46. Yeah, I'm looking at 41 first. But I believe by the looks of price here, the 1 hour close below resistance here, so you could see price making its way back down towards 33 and such here. Could be seeing 33 and tap 31. I mean, if you get a bear, I mean, technically, this is a range. I mean, if you get a range 2 in this area, chat, sells wouldn't be bad. If you get a range 2 within 35, 33. Because if you get a bearish close like this below the range after grabbing this. The thing about this, though, is I'm going to need price to come up to here first. But if you get that and then you get a bearish close, once you get a bullish close, man, that is the range 2 breakout. And then you can take sells below whatever after. Below here, and then you just target the next support at 33. It's not like you're swinging down to like 21 or anything, right? You're just coming down to you just catch a nice 10-pip range or 15-pip range going down here. So you can anticipate this push as you're breaking back into the range, right? I believe, if I'm not wrong, too, these days were bullish as well. What day is this when we came back into the range? This day was oh, that was last night. Oh, that was all last night. Wow. Yeah, let's see. This kind of closes bullish here. So if we get a bearish closure, let's say below, I don't know, below here, below 34. Potential sells below 34 coming down towards 33 and so forth. Because did get still flip bearish on a given point today, right? With it closing below resistance. The 1 hour closed below. But I mean, even if you do come down towards 33, 32, you're not even breaking 1 hour lows. So it's not like you're really trying to swing price that direction. You're kind of just catching a quick short here coming down. The 1 hour has no bottom wick, or 4 hour has no bottom wick, or bear has a bottom wick. I would anticipate that to be created, or a stupid wick to be created, or at least for us to tap into these levels to be created. Yeah, not too bad. You need that closure first, right? And you also need that top wick first. If you don't get a top wick or a closure, I'm not gonna be taking any positions, obviously. I need a top wick to like 30, 36 before you get a closure. If you don't come with 36 and get a closure below, you get a closure below, I'm not taking any sells. But yeah, I haven't taken a trade chat since the 24th, which is last Friday. That was the last trade on stream. 24th. Obviously, yeah, the weekend, and then Monday stream. Yesterday didn't stream. Monday no trades. Yesterday didn't trade at all. That's kind of sick. Okay, there's a top wick. Nice. But yeah, I'd say we're back. Finish off the week strong. Finish off the year strong. Forgot the week. The year. Finish off life strong. I can't believe I drew the exact same levels as you. That's good. You know, if you come to the streams, eventually you'll get the hang of it, and you don't need me no more. That's the whole point. Like, that's the whole point. If you get your levels exactly like me, I mean, obviously I don't have any crazy levels or anything, right? Like, my levels could be wrong sometimes, could be off, but it's just adjusted to my eyes, adjusted to me. But yeah, your levels, even if they're off a bit, it doesn't mean you're wrong. You're in the right position. You're just drawing off of what you kind of saw, what you kind of see. You know what I mean? That's good though. How was Blix on stream yesterday? Yeah, it's called a dub, right? I saw. Yeah, it's called a W. By the way, chat, our server needs a little boost. Like, we have 4 boosts. Oh, by the way, someone donated earlier. Fuck, who was that? My fault. WFX, thanks for a tier 1. Appreciate you. Chat, we need a boost. Because we only have 7 boosts right now. We need 14 to maintain our server, our Discord. We have like 20k members, by the way. We're almost there. We have like 800 members left to 20k members in a free Discord. If you guys want support, go ahead and boost the server. It's for the community. It's not for me. You know, it's for the whole entire community. Not just for me. or devious. So you want to keep the server alive. Why don't you set your stop loss above your entry so you don't lose $100, $300 when it hits break even? $100, like what's the difference that gonna make? Like think about it. Like not even the fact that it's $300, but like let's say it's like you're popping up 0.01 lot, you're losing like 1 penny, 3 pennies out of 10 cents, that 10 pips, right? What's the difference? What's it gonna do for you? Nothing. Ain't gonna do anything for you. You pop a 0.10 lot, you're losing maybe $1. Like it's spreads. It's basically just spreads, or like it's less than commissions if anything. So it doesn't change the fact that you're profitable or not profitable. Like that's not, that will make a difference. Trust me, that would not make a difference long. It won't affect your trades. It won't affect much, man. If that stuff affects you, then you need to, there's more things you gotta worry about than that, man. Trust me. It's like it's not even like 0.5% of your account. It's part of trading, part of being a retail trader, right? I can care less for losing, you know, what is this, like 0.03 pips, 0.02 pips, because in the long run things, those things don't matter. What matters is the idea. Like these profits and losses don't even matter at all, to be honest, right? Obviously it builds your account up. At the end of the day, what matters the most is the idea of the trade overall. If you had a W idea, even though it hits break, even though it was a loss, or you follow your plan, and you stuck to your plan analysis, that's all that matters. The results doesn't matter. So like even when it's like a, you know, a break even that hit that you maybe lost like 0.3 pips in, 0.2 pips in because of spreads and slippage, doesn't matter, right? A win doesn't really matter, right? Wins don't matter too, because what matters the most is the idea and sticking to your plan and being disciplined. Because as long as you follow that, naturally good things will happen. Naturally profits will come, right? Losses will come, but profits will come. But you gotta focus on being disciplined first. You gotta focus on not worrying about the number, about how much money you made, how much money you lost per trade, but worry about the idea and if you actually stuck to your plan or not. That's what you gotta focus on. Numbers don't matter, man. Trust me. It's all irrelevant. These numbers will change next year. Last year, these numbers were different last year. This year, it's gonna change again. The year after, it's gonna change. They're always gonna change, no matter what. These numbers are always gonna change. Your balance and capital will always grow as you focus on your discipline and focus on your craft. But if you focus on the numbers too much, your balance isn't gonna grow, because you're focused on the wrong things. You can't grow with focusing on balance. You can grow with focusing on strategy, but what's gonna change when you focus on balance? Nothing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna manifest here $1 million by next month. Okay, but how you gonna get there? You need to put in the work. You need to maintain that discipline to actually get there. You can't just get there by just manifesting numbers. It doesn't mean shit. So don't waste your time looking at numbers, right? It's irrelevant. That's why goal in trading is relevant, because when you have a goal in trading, you're gonna have pressure on yourself. By the way, if you close below here, chat, these aren't bad. But if whenever you have a balance or a goal to hit a certain balance, hit a certain amount of pips per trade, you're gonna have pressure, unnecessary pressure, to hit those goals. When you don't need the extra unnecessary pressure. Just trade what the market gives you, right? Like I don't have a goal of hitting 10 pips every day. Some days I catch 10, some days I catch 100. But I have no pip goal, no target goal for a month, no percentage goal, no goals, because those things changes all the time. I'm just gonna focus on, again, my discipline, and good things will naturally happen, however they happen. But let's say you have a goal. What you're gonna start doing is you're gonna start taking impulse positions because you want to reach that goal by the end of the month. You know, it's like February 28 here, last of the month, and you're like, oh fuck, I need to hit my 10% goal. I'm at 6%. How about I make 4% in one day? Start taking impulse positions, start taking these positions, those positions, and then next thing you know, you're chasing something that you shouldn't be chasing in the first place, because the market might not always give you an opportunity for you to chase those percentages. Yeah, top wick has been created here. That's good. That's good. So if you create a top wick here, you break the 1 hour lows and get a 5 closure. Not bad. How big are stops though? 4 pips. That's Pretty small, not too bad. Yeah, I'll say you gotta close below like here, below like 34, right? So you're pretty far away right now, but maybe the next 5-minute candle, probably not this 5-minute candle. This one's gonna close bearish, respecting support, so it can still drive up and flip up, with the 1 hour still being bullish. But if it breaks the 1 hour lows and it closes below 34, then yeah, at that point you can take sells. There's news, yeah, 10 a.m. Am I tripping? Yeah, 9 a.m. news and 10 a.m. You have no news today, which is good. Very good. I hate news. Tomorrow you have ISM services chat. Wait, today's Thursday? No, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow you have no news. Unemployment claims 8:30, and then you have Friday ISM. Monday you got nothing. Tuesday nothing. Wednesday you got interest rates for the Canadian dollar, not US dollar, Canadian dollar. Thursday you got nothing. Friday you got NFP. Cool. Can't start with 0. Yeah, you can. Can't start with 0, but you can get to $1. And with $1, you get to $2. You can get somewhere at 0. When you're at 0, there's only one direction. And it's up. Well, actually, no. You could go into the negatives. You couldn't go into the negatives. Never mind. You could be in some debt. Similar use of foreign forex. I used to use soft FX, right? Yeah, soft FX. But now I don't use a simulator right now, but I'm looking for one. The last one I used was forex simulator. How's yesterday for you guys? I'll chat. You guys did good yesterday? You guys had a good month? Good finish off to the month or what? Didn't trade. Earn 10%. Best day of your life. Damn, that's crazy. 1 out. Don why 5-minute time frame? Because we're using every time frame to our advantage from the weekly. Have you not been here this year? IKR, IIR. A lot of people from last year for some reason haven't watched streams in quarter 4. Came back this year and like, oh, why are you using 5-minute time from now? Well, because you missed like half the core last year. That's why. No, we use every time frame, every single time frame to our advantage. You hitting a gym? Yes. Bro, change the day of the records. Oh shit, we are in March. We are in March. We are in March. You're right. Blew my account, passed on phase 1, so pretty good Feb. Hey, passed your phase 1 onto phase 2 now. What's after phase 2? Phase 3? Made $300 pips on, made 300 pips, made 3,000, made 300 euros pips yesterday on gold. Something about that doesn't add up. Still gold runners from yesterday, finish off the month strong. Nice, congratulations. I'm glad you finished off the month strong. Strong month is all you need. Switched to Blueberry, so had no funds to trade. Virtually trade the massive spike. Oh well. I mean, as long as you won the idea, that matters. As long as mentally you won the idea. Caught 185 pips on gold with 20 pip stop loss. Okay, Mr. RR, my fault. Bought in at 1813 last week, just close to that. 235 pips in profit. Very thankful. Thanks for streaming. Congratulations. Is it possible to meet you in real life? Yes. Yes. When I go to Florida here. Chat, I might go to Vegas in April, by the way. I might link with I might go to Vegas with Marcos in April 22nd for the fight, Ryan Garcia and the Tank fight. Who's in Vegas? I've never been to Vegas, but I want to go. Looks cool. Looks dope. Dustin V. Bot go to $1. Should I TP now? Honestly, you should hold a little longer. Hold a little longer though. $1. You could have had a better entry, to be honest. Like 10 cents. $1. Those are rookie numbers, bro. You plan on going to Florida? I plan on moving to Florida. You live in Vegas? Yeah, I was like, yo. I was telling my girl the other day, I'm like, yo, is it cold in Vegas? I'm like, wait, it's Vegas. It's hot. There's no winter in Vegas. It's like a desert there. Every day's a desert. The chat, what we're playing? Back row, blackjack. Nothing to do in Vegas? Well, yeah, nothing to do in Vegas if you don't gamble or anything. Yeah, definitely nothing to do in Vegas. But that's all we're gonna do. You know, watch the fight and have a little fun. My first time seeing you fall a cap? What do you mean? I've had plenty of streams in my career with fall caps. Was you know down savage? I mean, again, it's just people in the industry. I love everyone. He's cool. If I follow them, I fuck with them. Or actually, I take that back because I follow. There's a lot of people that I haven't followed yet, but yeah, I fuck with down savage. He cool. He cool. He comes to our streams every now and then. Cool guy. As for other people hating him, I mean, I don't know. That's not my business, you know. People hate him. People hate him. People are weird. I don't know, but I feel like there's no need to hate when it's literally an industry of, you know, like it doesn't make sense when. Think about it this way, chat. One mentor trying to help out the community. The other mentor trying to help out the community, but instead this other mentor wants to hate on this other guy because he's trying to help out the community. It makes no sense. Everyone's trying to help the community. So why you know why try to bite down on each other like that? You know, it makes no sense. But it's the weird industry. But hey man, none of my business. None of my business. No room for hate in this industry. There's too much money in this industry. All the money you can share. Didn't he scam people? I don't know. Again, none of my business, man. I don't know people's stories, chat. Yes, act as if I know insider information. You know, I don't even know insider information about the charts, chat. I'm just a regular dude. I don't know it. I don't know shit. I don't know anything. If people got beef with each other, hey, that's their beef. You know, that is their beef. We might get some closures above 38 here, but yeah, that is their beef. You know, I am not gonna be. I'm not gonna partake into any of that stuff. So I don't know what's going on. If people got beef, shit, they got beef. But me, you would never catch me. You would never catch me having beef with anybody. Never. And if you do, just know it's for marketing purposes. Oh shit, Wickstein's here. What's the deal? What's the deal?
What's the deal?
Say again. You weren't on screen.
What's the deal?
Sheesh. What's the deal, man?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, want to start beef?
Okay. I got nothing against these marketers. I got nothing against them. I think Savage is pretty funny, actually. He's got a good sense of humor for a marketer.
I think so too. I follow him. Yo, me and Wickstein gonna start beef next month, though, chat. Like, me and Wickstein gonna start some beef because we need to run the numbers for the website drops.
We're gonna start some queefs.
Yeah, Donna and Wickstein beefing on Instagram. That's crazy. Crazy tell, right, chat? And then, you know, next thing you know, we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna both
we're gonna
share,
have a reunion.
We're gonna both create a funded company, and me and him are gonna share funds, and then we're gonna have beef about that once the funds split up, and then we're gonna get back together and start an actual broker, and then repeat. Sounds good.
Yeah, but only my followers get to smoke weed with me. Any other mentor offering that? No.
Yeah, what are you saying in Vegas? What are you
Where do I
saying?
stay in
What are you
Vegas?
saying on April 22nd? For one
No.
like 1 weekend, 3 days, 2 days.
Are you really gonna fuck up my party like that? That's 420. That's a 420 weekend.
Yeah, exactly. You're 420 in Vegas, you know? Is it legal in Vegas?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're chilling.
like completely. You could just fucking smoke at the table.
Is it
The
legal in
dealers
Miami?
are high.
Is it
The
legal in
dealers
Miami?
are high. Miami is medical. Vegas is just
Oh,
recreational.
Miami is not. Oh shit. And Toronto is recreational. Yeah, Toronto you can just do whatever. You can walk in the street in front of a cop. Oh, dang, you're chilling then. Go Vegas. Trying to catch a Tank versus Ryan Garcia fight. Me and Marcus are going. So, you know, I'm trying to see who else can pull up. Maybe if you pull up though, and we have to do something for DBS for sure. If you pull up, but it's only if you pull up. If it's just me, Marcos, then it's just me, Marcos. Marcos is like
Why are you going on to Vegas on 420?
to watch the fight.
Mm.
It's on 22nd.
What fight?
Ryan Garcia and
Oh,
Tank.
the Tank?
Yeah.
Tank.
Let's go there with Mix, shake my hand, and do a 5K bet.
I go to Vegas if you pick me up from my house. How about that?
How far are you
I'll
from
meet you.
Vegas? Like,
I'll meet you on the tarmac. You can get this private jet in here.
you can see it for real on TV. Yeah. How does a fight work in real life? Like, is it as like, you know, going to a hockey game in real life, a basketball game in real life is different. A football game in real life is different. But how's boxing work?
I've been to a lot of fights. Like I've been to a bunch of like Klitschko fights. I've been to a Lennox Lewis fight.
Is it just as hype?
See how old I am, Chad? I've been to a Lennox Lewis fight. That's how old I am.
Who? LeBron?
No, Lennox Lewis. You don't know who Lennox Lewis is? Stop playing games. I don't want to hear it. Who that? Stop playing games.
Who that? Who is that? I don't know. You saw Andre the Giant live? Damn. Andre the Giant.
That's old for me.
Houston line of Vegas.
Yeah, because Lewis gave Holyfield the beatdowns.
Yo, Don's best friend in the game. Nobody else comes close. Debate your nan.
Dictate your
No,
man.
dictate your nan.
Dictate your nan.
Yo, 13 months. Yo, Michael's 13 months. Yeah, Marcos, we Vegas, man, 22nd. I'm trying to get Wixon to come, you know, I'm trying to get a little thing going on. Gonna be sick. Gonna be sick. Let's see.
Marcos should make a return after a 1-year absence.
5-hour flight? Really? Oh wait, yeah, Vegas is in I forgot. Vegas is. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's like going west. I forgot. For some reason I thought Vegas was like south west.
Yeah, but when you come back, it's a lot faster. It's like a 2 hours shorter.
Yeah. And also you save well not yeah, but you lose a shit ton of time when you get back. It's 3-hour difference.
You don't lose. No.
Yeah, you take a flight at 2 o'clock. You get here. You're supposed to get here at 7, but you get here at 10. The 3-hour time difference.
What are you talking about? But your flight is shorter for those 3 hours. You get there, maybe like an hour has passed. Realistically. Or like 2 hours have passed because it's 3 hours plus the 2-hour flight, so minus the 3-hour difference.
Yeah, it's not a math equation meme. That's me right now.
So if you leave Vegas at 6 p.m. and there is a 3-hour time difference between your destination and Vegas, and the flight lasts for 5 hours.
Oh wait, you have some close.
Did LeBron hit a home run or kick a field goal?
I think LeBron got a touchdown.
Hey, grand slam, touchdown.
Yo, Dan. All right. I lost 20% because I overtraded. Any tips to overcome this? 20% because you overtrade? No. 20% because you're greedy. Because you're greedy. And as Wixon says,
egotistical.
Yeah, you're greedy. Not because you're overtrade, because you're greedy. That's what led you to overtrade. You need to understand that even if you were to make 20%, that it wouldn't be good profits. Hear that? 20% in one day would not be good profits because it's not sustainable. Right? It's not sustainable. Because if you're risking 20% and you lose that 20%, it sucks obviously. In this case you did, but if you were to win, 20%, even in that case, you'll be cheering on right now. You'll be like, oh my god, yes, I just made 20% yesterday. It was a good day. But eventually later down the road, it's gonna bite you in the ass because the faster you make it, the faster you lose it. It's not sustainable. Right? You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, basically. Right? Yeah.
It's all right. We had somebody take a trade with us that said they were in for 30% of their account on that trade.
Yo, wait, so what are you saying here?
Daniel?
Closures above 38. What are you saying?
My breakdown. Ooh, I don't even have a level here. I'm sorry.
I got a level here looking left from the 38. The 38.7.
That's 2-3?
Yes.
Yeah.
Unless you got above 40.
No. Let's figure this out here. Oh yeah. You're right.
Above 40, you can go to 43.
I'm looking at 1839.6.
Yeah, I know what you're looking at. 39.6. Where's that from? I got 40.001.
Okay, so let's scroll left a little. Okay, right here. Let's pause this right here. Second. So I got this level. It's an ugly drawing.
How about the level above there, though?
Huh?
How about the 40 level?
Well, this is about This is about 15 pips here, no? Look, let me measure it out to your advantage point, even more, 20 pips. Hate when shit don't work. Yeah, you have
Same level roughly.
you have 17 pips of an advantage here, so at 1840.6, you have 17 pips to your next stop.
I initially wanted 38, like 38.766. That was my original level.
The thing is,
But
with
that's
your
still my
level,
level.
you have a resistance right off the rip here, right above 1838.8.
Yeah, that's why I kind of just drew a level of 40 now. I'm like,
I think just
above
because
40 though, you have range going to 43.
so here's the thing: above 40, you have a clean candle. You moved it. Clean candles. Just clean drives up and clean drives down. Clean candles here.
Yep.
So this entire range here, this entire area right here seems to be a zone that you drive through. Sorry, wrong color. That should be a green. And a green and a red make a yellow. Fuckers.
A green and a yellow make a yellow?
The green and a red.
Oh, a green and a red. I was gonna say.
Yeah, 1840.06. You also have you have no rejections once you close above there. Every time you close above there, you either drive up or you form a bearish candle that respects. Let me be more precise in this level here. It's 18. Yeah, it's 1839.6. That's what I have.
Yeah, I originally had 1838.766. But I said earlier that I really wanted the 1 hour break the lows first before we drive up above there. But if you didn't break the 1 hour lows yet, then above 39 or 40, yeah, wherever it was I had next is part of buys. And above 40, you have range going up until, you can probably say like 1830, 43, 44, but you can probably target even 45. So yeah, above 40 probably is where I'm looking at.
39.8, I just adjusted it. And then
Let me see what this says. The thing about scrolling back on an MT5 is that you don't know when it's gonna come. Oh, right there, there it is. Yeah, 40, I got 40.
You know, I had it up here. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. I moved it up there.
Yeah, it's like a 4 pip difference. Like, not that much of a difference. Either way, chat, you can close above 38 either, so it's like, earlier on though, I was talking about range to break up below 38, 35. I was looking for this count right here. I wanted to see if this count can close below this range here, because this cannot close below this range here would have indicated that we're breaking below the support, and then you can just take sales coming down. But this count never closed below, it closed bullish, because this one closed bullish. So I'm like, oh cool, if we close below here, we're making a range too. Take sales below 38 34 coming down, but never happened. But now you can probably just move your support down here, adjust this a little bit as you create a new range, and say if you close below there, now you can take sales coming down.
And at 40, right, 1839.9 at 40, as you mentioned, that's where the hourly levels are as well. You would be breaking above the hourly.
Yeah. Let's see here, chat. You have a 15 closure above the most recent resistance. I'll give you that, right? I'll give you that. You close above most recent resistance here. This count came down, created a bond wick just now. First bullish could drive up, but I mean, you do have the 1 hour close here in about 20 minutes here. I mean, let's see. If you get closure above, if you get closure whenever, like, you know, 45 even, I can care less. Because it's just gonna be a closure above with the 4 hour breaking highs. We'll take positions, but you gotta break above here. Thoughts on prop firms? No thoughts really. They're good if you know you wouldn't need more capital, you know. But make sure you just make sure before you start a prop firm that you're consistent already, because the last thing you want to do is, you know, not be consistent on your live accounts and go fund it just because you think that going funded, since you have more capital, it's easier to trade. It's not. It's the same rules apply, same principles. So make sure you're consistent first before you go funded, or else you'll waste your money, right? But yeah, and then obviously from there, you know, go funded, and then eventually you want to layer down the road. Long term, you want to make it back to your live. Eventually, you want to have funds on your live trade. So there's my thoughts on that. I don't use funded, never did, but I'll say that is the best approach.
Yo, TD don't pay me. I'm gonna go to funded, bro.
You gotta go to BlueberryMarkets here or something, man. I don't know.
Yeah, we're working on that.
Tips for a fast execution. Go
to the gym, and instead of lifting weights with your arms, lift weights with your finger.
Oh yeah. I mean, fast execution. If you're not executing fast, it's because you're hesitating. Like, what's so hard about doing this? Boom, buy. Even on your mobile device, you know, it's like, okay, cool. I'm on my mobile device here.
Here's the thing: you open up your own broker and then get access to the liquidity pool prices.
The trading manager. Yeah, here, Chad. You know, you go in here, you going boom, buy, done. Like, what's so hard about that? I think if you're really struggling to do that, it means you're hesitating. And that doesn't have to do that doesn't have to do with you and how quick you are, because trading is not about reflexes, man. Trust me. If trading was about reflexes, a lot of people wouldn't be able to trade, right? Trading is about execution and confidence. So if you're not confident in your strategy and you're hesitating, that's what's taking you long to manage risk. That's what's taking you long to execute positions, right?
I talked a lot of shit just in the business, but I think it's when you talk shit, that's when you create enemies, right? So I think along the road, there were just a lot of enemies created.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just
love. I'm also going FTMO, doing trades with Don New York and evenings with Nick's Night. Damn, you're really trying to get this funded, huh?
Trying to get a phase 5.
Damn.
Oh shit, you have a 15 closure above. Oh, this is a nice 15 closure above 38 here. Not bad. Every time you close above this range, you drove up towards 39. Well, 40. How big is this range going up? Advantage point is 9, and then you got target obviously up here. This is not bad, chat. Maybe you might get a closure. Maybe a 5 closure above here would be fine for me in about 2 minutes here. Let's see.
You need to pull back.
Well,
most of the range.
Or above 40, you know. I already close there, but yeah, I don't want to close like here, but 39, 60.
Right at 40.
Like, you want to close above here or above here, leaving a wick fill, and you take buys in the next minute and a half here. Yeah, lock it in, chat. It's time to potentially get our first trade of the month here. In a long time.
No homo, but you're looking kind of cute. Damn. Yo, you're distracting people with that haircut, dog.
How big are stops here? Gotta lock it in here. No distractions. Okay, 34.460. Take profit probably gonna be around the if we get closures above here. If, right? IF chat, you have a minute and a half here. It's a lot of time, but if you get closures above here, you can probably target like 1844, 45, 1845. Just put a round target, you know. I'm kidding, but that's your next resistance there to the left. 1845.
Put a random target.
Looking left, like you're looking at around like 44, 45. Like that.
How you guys feeling? Just how you feel.
Yeah, that's how you feel. And the stops would be most logical. Most logical stop would be a below here. Right, so wherever this is, 1834.446. But yeah, above there. Let's see. And you got a closure, right? Yeah, you got a closure, chat. So just need a little bottle wick and then we'll be in there like swimwear. You know, come down to 38, that'll be preferred, but I mean, a little bottle wick at least like 38.766. It's like a 4 pip. That will be in there. Witness wicks. Worst case, we got close to about 40 instead, but I need a bond wick for this. I need a bond wick for this range. If you can break the previous 5 low and flip, perfect. Perfect. If not, then I guess we can wait for it close to about 40 instead, which is not bad anyways. Like it's like a chat, you're missing on maybe like 6 pips here, worst case, right? If you can break the 5 lows, which is at 1838, 260, and have a bottom above the record highs, that would be perfect. Perfect.
50 pip stops here.
50. I got 45. No, my bad. 49. 49.48.
Damn, how you get 50? I got 49.8, dog. We way off. Way off. Damn. Are you watching the same chart I am?
I got 47. See? The massive stops there, man. You gotta lower down a little bit. Maybe 49.7 is good, man.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Fuck 50. It's terrible.
Retired and move to Vegas. Oh, damn. Nice. Congratulations.
What, betting on horses?
Time to blow all your money now in Vegas. Kidding. That was me, though. Man, I think Vegas is the worst place to retire because you're bored now. You're home. You're like, what can I do? Let me go to a casino, see what's up. And then you better have it. Oh, brother. It's over.
We got casinos here. I live in fucking retirement capital of the universe.
Oh, yeah. I
Everyone
forgot.
retires here.
You live in by Honda.
Bro, everybody retires here. I'm telling you. No matter what country you're from, what species you are, everybody retires here. Like, you know,
I mean, I get it.
Martians chilling at Fountain Blue.
You have Little Boy Blue. Nice waters. Hey, can we break the 5 lows here? The thing is, you want to break the 5 lows and then flip, right? Within 2-minute span here. What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
I think we break the 5 lows. We're gonna come back down to the range.
Well, then that's the case. Then that's the last 15-minute candle of the 1 hour count. Then that's the 1 hour pullback.
Exactly.
But if you don't, you know, then we'll be in there, and that's also bingo. Man, there goes that man. Again, chat, if it doesn't break the 5 lows and drives, and we won't get buy stops, we wait for a closure above 40 instead, or we wait for a closure in 15. But again, I'll be fine with closure above 40 if it's like a 755. I'm fine taking position still.
You got blackout shades in it?
What do you mean?
Or it's that dark outside?
Nah, I got
Snowing.
I got what do you call it? Curtains?
Blackout curtains. It's snowing outside?
Nah, but it was a couple days ago. I drove my M4 in the snow for the first time. And man, oh man, turn that what's it called? What's the thing that holds your wheels together on rear wheel drive? traction control, turn that off. Oh man, oh man. Felt like
Thing that holds your wheels together.
felt like Tokyo Drift. Oh, neat. You broke the 5 lows. Perfect. So, okay. Broke the 5 lows and respected. Nice. Again, you need to break the 5 lows and push up in 1 count, right? But no, you're just not doing that now at this point. You need a closure above 39 or above 40 now. I mean, you could stick at the 15 flip. That wouldn't be too bad. You can go off the 15 instead and stay at the 15 flip. If you were to push up here, let's see, how big are the, I mean, you respect this. So you re-break the highs, technically you should expect price to drive and to continue to push. Let's see, maybe if you get like a 5 bullish closure, even if it's below support and they have a buy stop, but you need a closure first, I guess. If that's the case.
Some clean range to the left to fill.
If you get something like this. Yeah, like a bullish closure and then have a buy stop, I guess. Right? That won't be too bad. But you gotta close above back into the range there. Or respecting that range there. Because this count here closed. My bad. This count over here, chat. Close respecting, right? This bullish candle right here in the 5-minute time frame close respecting this support here. It didn't close below. So that's good. It's good for this 5 range here. So if this candle here were to close bullish here, creating the onion, you can have a buy stop on the break of the highs of this candle because that is a 15-minute flip. And as the 15-minute flips, you can start to anticipate the rest of the range getting filled up until 1840 and 41 and 43 and such, right? But you're gonna need that closure there. So if that were to happen, cool. Again, worst case, we get buys above 40, but I'm looking to take advantage of this range now that you have this formed. We're almost there. Almost there. Be patient. It's only the first of the month. Very close. Yeah, there you go. Try to help you out. Blue and Glenn just help you out. Grab price is just grabbing liquidity to the upside. Wait for bearish moves. I got stars below 1835, 1833. I'm looking for buys of 1838. Oh look, this count's flipping bullish here now. So if we were to close bullish here, get a buy stop in about a minute here. Uh-oh, don't flip now.
Talking about the 15?
15 is flipping now, but if you get a 5 closure here, the onion here, I'm gonna have a buy stop on the 15. Yeah, off the 15, off the break of the highs. 1 minute and a half. 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 What is this? Same stop, right? Yeah, same stop. 50 seconds for us to have buy stops here. For 7, for 6, for 5, for 4. There's a long 40 seconds. You're in? Okay. You can be in whenever you want, chat. Again, you don't gotta wait for me. I just need this 5 to close bullish here. That's it. And then I'll have a buy stop. But if you want to get in,
we'll have a position.
By all
we'll have a
means,
buy stop.
Get in.
Once this closes, not enter once this closes, or enter like a minute.
Yeah. We'll have a buy stop once it closes. Difference there, right, chat? The difference there. Why do you need a buy stop? Because that's the break of the 15 highs. We're taking advantage of the 15-minute flip here. Once the 5 closes, print the onion.
And if we close here on the 5 in 5 minutes on the hourly, here's the thing. We got 5 more minutes for the hourly close to look at. Where are you?
Oh, perfect. I have a buy stop here, chat. Buy stops here at 1839.355. Let me see if I can place this in time. Let's see how fast I can place buy stops. 1839.355. Done. Just like that, I got a buy stop. You don't need no tool to do that, chat. Simple. TP.
Yeah.
1845. Signal? Huh. Already done. If I can do all of that, chat, there's no excuse for you not to be able to do it on your own. And if you aren't doing your own, it means you're hesitating. And you mean you're hesitating because you're not confident in your analysis, right? Not my analysis, but yours. Again, you should be taking trades off of your analysis. Yeah, I got buy stops there. Not buying yet. Got buy stops. Buy stops basically here, chat, on the break of the highs. Why? Because that's the 15-minute flip / the 5-minute onion break of the highs. So that's where I got my buy stops. You have a 1 hour closure here too, which is in about 3 minutes. A few minutes.
So that's what I was gonna say here. Look at every time we closed here on the hourly.
Where?
Everywhere.
Above where? Above? Oh, above. Oh yeah, above here. Yeah. Yeah, we have nice stops too. It's above the 1 hour lows.
Just a drive here. Drive through. Reaches this range every time. So you got a lot of evidence in the past that the hourly should drive through. The only thing is the next hourly bottom wick.
Chat, break-even point will probably be that minor resistance there to the left. I said 1840 or in those levels, but I believe we are activated here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm activated here. So gotten buys here as you broke the highs there on the buy stops. Yeah,
on the bias stop.
Gone buys here, chat. Gone buys here. Stops are below these zones to the left here. 48 pips. Target is up here for around the same. I think my target was, what did I say, 45? Yeah, I said 45. So that is my target. As for a break-even point, it's gonna be anywhere between 40 to 41 in these zones here, right? Probably once you tap into those zones, we'll start to break even, because why? That is a minor resistance there. But yeah, pretty straightforward buys. You can say it's a 15 entry.
Why?
You can say it's a 15 entry, or you can say it's like a. I should move up to here. You can say it's a 15 entry, or you can say it's like a 5-minute entry. It's up to you on how you want to like describe it, because it is a 15-minute flip, right? And at the same given time, it's a 5 closure for the onion. But yeah, let me put this in the. Actually, I don't even know if I have time to put that in the thing.
I don't put nothing in nowhere.
I was gonna put it in the spreadsheet. Yeah, you have a 1 hour close here, so you could be, if you close no top wick on a 1 hour here, I'm moving stops to break even regardless of where it is, because that'll be a 1 hour no top wick. That's a heavy no top wick, kind of, right? But if this thing drives. All right, cool. We're tapping into those zones here, chat. At this point, chat, I'm gonna move my stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade. Again, why? You're tapping into this amount of resistance here. Not gonna close, not gonna do anything too crazy. Just stops to break even, just managing risk, because one, you have a 1 hour closure in a minute and a half, and two, you are tapping into the level that I said earlier, 1840.300, right? Why? Look left. There is a amount of resistance there. You gotta take advantage of it. Worst case, if we were to hit break even here, this thing were to come back, then cool. Wait for the 1 hour count to form, create a bottom wick, and so forth. more buys later on, but if this thing does drive, then it does drive, and we're good. But yeah, again, some trades last a couple minutes, some trades are quick, right?
This is, you could look at it more of like a pre-gaming for the 1 hour trade.
A pre-gain? No, I want this to be the actual gain. I don't want no pre-gain. I don't want, this is the actual gain.
Yeah, so I'm not full risky. I got half risk on this position. I'm gonna add risk on the hourly if we get a bottom wick and flip. Because I was expecting a pullback, right?
I would say once you get into like chat, if price were out to like maybe, I don't know, 1841, at that point I'll probably move my stops to 10 pips in profit and let it rock, right?
Oh, watch this closure here. Watch this closure. No top wick.
Oh, no top wick. Oh shit, chat. Gonna move my stops to 10 pips in profit under the candle low, right? Because if this kind of were to flip bearish, it's gonna likely create a bottom wick. So moving my stops to 10 pips in profit here, securing this.
Nice.
Because if this kind of were to flip bearish, it's like gonna just come down, create a bottom wick, and flip, right? And then come back into the range. But at this point, your stop should be 10 pips in profit. We're securing 10 pips. So worst case, you get 10 pips. We did tap that first target there that we said at 1841.70. So there is our risk management. And now we let the rest rock, or we let it be, or hit 10 pips in profit, right? But yeah, good trade. 1 hour no top wick too. We kind of just mentioned that. But yeah, 1 hour no top wick just indicates that there's a 50-50 chance of this candle going up or down. This new candle here at least, right? So that's why we luckily had a good entry to where the flip is the breakout lows for us, right? And if you guys want to, you guys can trigger stops accordingly, you know, keep moving it up and up and up if you want to. I guess I'm just gonna leave it where it is right now. Might move up later on, but I'm gonna be a bit more aggressive since it's 1 hour no bottom wick, right? I want to see if I can close a bit earlier here. You know what I'm gonna do actually? I'm just gonna close my trade off here.
Yeah, close full at 20.
Yeah, it's gonna close full here, chat, at around 24 pips. So, but we only catch 10 pips. Not all the time. Again, some days it's 20, some days it's 10, some days it's 2 pips, some days it's 1 pip. There's no goal, there's no target. It's what the market gives me. In this case, the market had no top wick. I'm gonna be a bit more aggressive, you know. But yeah, chat, good trading, good start to March, you know. And if you guys enjoyed that trade, leave a like, sub to the channel. Not only that trade was good though, it was just, oh, we got perfect closure. Wow. Not only was that trade good, look at that. Wow. Wow. Not only was that trade good, however, it was just broken down. Me and Wickstein broke that down to the T, like to the very T, from the point when we entered to the point when we waited for the buy stops, the 5 closure, right? That 5 onion play that we drew out, everything about that trade was to the T. Closing, managing positions to the T. Not much we can say about that, man. It was a pretty good trade, right? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed any part of that trade, even if it was watching me stay disciplined, whatever it was, you know, yeah, leave a like on the stream, chat, and thanks for coming by today. It's been a good start to March. Good stuff, Wicks. 20 pips. I actually got 24.
Nice. Got 10 last night.
I know you did. You got 10 half. What was it? No, you got like 15 or something peak, right?
Last night? No, it was literally, we closed. Like, just like right now, we closed at the peak, the wick. We had a really nice close.
Good stuff.
Because you play your advantage points, right? And then the probability of that advantage point being broken, and you weigh it.
Yeah.
And over time, your decision making becomes a lot better when it comes to risk management.
The streak goes on, chat.
People try to make their decisions much better when they take the trade, but once you're in a trade, and you're gonna have many trades where you're wrong, and you're gonna have many trades. Key is risk management. You're gonna have many trades where you're right and don't take profit off the table. Why do you think you stay you think you're winning, but you stay break even. You have those, right? You plateau for months at a time, weeks at a time. Why? Because maybe you figured out the entries. Have you figured out the risk management? Right? You have to get all angles of this down to really supercharge your profits. I know, look at that risk management. Close at the peak before it came back. % gain, 2.5 gained on Donvo. Yeah. Oh, 7. Donvo muted? No, he's not muted. He's doing a IG post or something. He's I think he's recording an Instagram post.
Yeah, my bad. I wasn't trying to interrupt you, so I muted myself, and I told chat to leave a W without even saying anything. Yeah, chat, no excuses, man. If I could give a signal, share my MT5, post it on Instagram, some of you guys here are just like, bruh, how'd you close so fast? Because that was the plan. We knew, well, you know, when you know what you're gonna do, you can't just do it without hesitation, right?
This is perfect. Why should we just call it now?
Honestly, there might be another trade. The thing is, like, thing about today's gold is that this thing might just come down. For all I know, like Josh, what you said earlier about sells, yeah, sells could happen. I'm not against you. It's just that, like, just because you're looking for sells doesn't mean price can't go up just a little bit, right? It doesn't mean that just has a drop. It's oh yeah, it's just gonna just drop all of a sudden just because it's, you know, just because you want to drop. I mean, it could go down still, right? And that's what I'm saying. You know, one of the daily today is technically still below resistance. It can still flip bearish today, so I wouldn't be surprised. But that's why my sells are below 35. Hold on though, chat. Let me add that to the record. Add that to the stuff. I think that is our
The weekly's bearish. The daily's
bullish, but respecting resistance.
Reaching target, yeah.
2, oh no, 3, 1, 2024, 2023. 8. I'm surprised 300 dudes just dipped just now. Like, do you guys like, are you guys just like freeloaders? Like, you guys go to someone's house, eat their food, and just dip? Like, there was literally 1,600 people here, and then now there's 14 freeloaders, man. Freeloaders, freeloaders in the chat, and only 400 likes. Chat, we should at least get hit. Seeing 700 likes right now. 100 likes. See, those guys just come for a signal and sound. They don't come for the value, nothing. Just give me my signal, be gone.
You know what? Out of respect for you, I'm not even gonna take my kids to school. Fuck that. I'm staying.
Oh, okay. PA day. No, what's it called in school? Is it called PA day? Is that a thing? You know when you have like those Fridays that you guys don't have school? Kids don't have school. It's like PA day in Canada. I don't know what it is in America.
PA day. I don't know.
Something activity day. I don't know what it means. In
no,
America.
It's called be a shitty parent day.
Gold buys.
Don't take your kids to school. No, you know what? I'm gonna take them. So I know you heard me.
That was a 15-minute entry, right? Yeah, that was a 15-minute entry. Break it appears high, right?
As I said, let's hope that was the pre-game.
Oh yeah, pre-game.
The pre-gains. Pre-pips. Or the actual pips. I'm back in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Drive safe.
More like 12, but we'll see what happens.
Appears higher low. 15. Full. Yeah, that was a 15, I would say. Not really a 5. 15. 24. Nice. The streak continues. Signals channel. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The stream, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice. And then that on a stream is our 50, 142 wins. So that's 76.1 win rate. Cool. And then this is, oh yeah, 268. Nice. Yeah, chat. Now we just wait for sells, I guess. Below 1835 or 1833. Could still happen. Could still happen. But again, I'm looking for sells only if we were to break below this level here, below 34, right? That is my range 2, I believe. Now you have an actual range 2 here. So if you were to close below this area in the red here, in this red box here, you can likely take sells coming back into the range, right? As you're coming back into this area here to fill these ranges. So, because again, even though we're bullish right now, doesn't mean the daily will close off bullish, because again, look at the daily. The daily any given point could flip bearish. Why? Because you are still in this area here. You're still below these levels here. You haven't closed above. You're still below. So at any given point, what could happen today is this daily candle could flip bearish. So we can start to anticipate sells if that were to happen. And this were to happen today, then tomorrow will be a very awkward day, I'll tell you that. But today is kind of like your decision making day. Today, price doesn't know where it wants to go. It can either go up or it can go down, but today's closure will determine what's going to happen tomorrow, unless you close back into the range. But let's see, right? You really want to break out of this range here. As long as the daily candle today in 8 hours and 48 minutes closes outside of this area here, outside of this yellow box here, right? So anywhere outside the yellow box, you're good for the day. I'll say here, you're good for a day. As long as you close outside of that box, right? Because if you close outside the box, obviously this would be a bearish closure. If you close bullish above, that means you're breaking out back into this range, and therefore tomorrow you're going to see price come up to here, 1848, even like 1856, right? So that's why I'm saying like today's an indecision candle, because price is just in the range. It's not really above resistance, not really below resistance. It's kind of just at resistance, right? And it hasn't made a decision yet. So tomorrow's candle will be a much cleaner candle in terms of direction. Today's gonna be a bit choppier. Doesn't mean you can't take a trade though, right? Damn, Kieran, just snapped on the man. But yeah, it's on the screen, you know. It's on the screen, it's on the screen. 24. Colby. RIP Colby. New York has canceled the last 3 15-minute counts for Zoot. For a Zoot? Yeah, a Zoot. You have comments open here in 8 minutes or chat, so that would be interesting. You have no news today too. I want to see what if this 5-minute counts and pop down, pop back up. I'm interested to see. If it didn't make a small red count, are you still going to take that trade? No, it needed to. No, actually, even if this you're talking about this candle right here. If this candle weren't to form, I'll be okay with it too. But I just need the price to either break the highs or come down to create a 15 bottom wick, because again, this candle had no bottom wick, right here. So I need this candle to come down to create a bottom wick and then flip. This bearish candle came down, didn't really make a bottom wick, but this candle did create a bottom wick for that 15 or that 5. So as it did that, and with me also saying how this 5 closed bearish respecting, right? I need this candle to come down and then come back up to close bullish. And that's what I drew out earlier. I need that candle to do this, and I did do that. And therefore, once it did that, we had a buy stop on the break of the highs, because that's the 15-minute flip. So you see how we use a 5-minute time frame confirmations to the higher time frame, right? That's what you need to do with your other time frames as well. But yeah, in this case, like, it was perfect. It was perfectly broken down, you know. If you really pay close attention to detail there, that was a pretty well broken down trade, I'll say. I say we, yeah, of course I say we. It's a community thing, you know. It's not just me. All right. Shout out to Nexus. Ah, man. Hundreds a month should take a loss to be more relatable. That's crazy. Yo, chat, by the way, if you guys do that trade there, leave a like on the stream, sub to the channel. We have like currently 524 likes. If we can get like 700 likes, that's all I ask for, man. 700 likes. Thanks for 999 though. Heartfelt pain, appreciate you. What spread do you have on gold? Right now it's 1.4 pips. 1.7, 1.4, 1.3. Peace out HFX, have a good day. How can I see my spreads? Right click this. No, my bad. Go in view and add market watch. Once you add a market watch, you add your pair, and then with your pair you can see what do you call it, spreads. Was that onion entry? No, it was a 15. You could have been under entry. It depends on how you entered, right? I entered on the 15-minute flip. I actually gotta correct that. It's not the break of the highs, it was the current high or low. Not the break of highs, current high or low. Yeah, it was current high or low. Only see percentages is weird. I don't know. I'm not too sure. Maybe scroll right a little bit. Drag the screen to the right. You might see some more. Did I come in early? Yeah, you gotta be out early, man. You believe in reincarnation of blown accounts? Yes, I do. Is there a reason we sometimes take a position off the rip and sometimes wait for a bottom wick? Some specific you look for? No. But in this case, like the 5, right? Remember, the 5 had the 5-minute time frame had no bottom wick here. This one right here. This one right here. Right? There was like a support formed here. And then this 5 closed above. So that was the first breakout, but it had no bottom wick. So I wanted a bottom wick, and that's why I waited for the bottom wick, and that's why it took another 10 minutes to play out. You got a bottom wick. This one closed bearish. Sorry, respecting. This one got a bottom wick for that 5 candle right there, and then our entry was a freaking highs. If it wasn't for this bottom wick, I would have taken an entry off the rip right here. So we would have been in some drawdown, which is fine. But if it wasn't for no bottom wick here, I would be in right here. All right, let's say this candle here closed bullish like this. But it closed bullish, leaving a bottom wick coming down like this, right? Yeah, of course I'll take a buy right here. Off the rip at 39, I'll take a buy right there and just exit once, or just, yeah, off the rip. No need to wait for a bottom wick. Why isn't it updated? Oh, there you go. Are you still going to take sells? Yeah, potentially. Below 33. Potentially. Damn. What an amazing day today, huh? distractions though, chat. You know, it's only the first day of the month. Don't get too hard of yourself. You know, it's only the first day of the month. You have the rest of the month to trade. Also, if you didn't catch a trade, don't feel FOMO. Don't feel like you need to catch a move now. Just wait for your next opportunity. I think that's one thing I learned this year, to be honest. Like, I think just waiting for your next opportunity and not selling down for less is very key. Like, obviously, you have a lot of options. You have a lot of options and scenarios put in front of you in trading every day, right? Every day when you're trading charts, you're always going to have a bunch of distractions, a bunch of price moving. You know, you see price moving, you're tempted to take positions, but you have to stay composed and you have to really wait for yourself to come to you. And you know, obviously, that can be anything. Waiting for yourself could be anything, but that's why you have a playbook. Once you have a playbook, that's all you follow. And that's one thing I've really stuck to this year, and that was basically just not selling down for less, even a bit. When something's off, and yeah, chat might be more pissed at me, right? Chat might be more pissed at me because I don't take a lot of positions all the time, but hey man, I'd rather do that than take a loss and have chat be like, oh yeah, but you suck. But yeah, don't sell down for less, man. Never. If something's off just a tiny bit about that position, if you're not getting the perfect setup, don't take it. You need the perfect setup. A lot of mentors will tell you that you can't get the perfect setup. You can. They're just not patient enough to wait for the perfect setup. But you definitely can. That was a perfect setup. It was in our playbook. Perfect setup. And if you don't know what the perfect setup is for you, you need more sample. You need a sample size more, right? Obviously, it's not the perfect setup in terms of like it's always gonna win, but in terms of your probability being very high to win that trade, you need to wait for the highest probable trade, and that is your playbook. So that, in my case, would be my perfect setup. Quality, right? Quality, not quantity. Okay, let's do quantity. Let's forget quality. Please answer me. Sell or buy? Do you agree with the sell, brother? You know how you just said please answer me? I need you to please listen to me when I speak on stream. I can't answer you when I've already answered you today 1,000 times. we already mentioned the sells and the buys, where they're gonna be and where we're taking them, right? PMI an hour. Nah, I'm not here till 10 today for sure. Not. When I get a trade this early, I'm off at 9, probably 9:15 if you get another trade by then. But if not, I'm calling it a day. I'm gonna go take the car for a drive or something. I don't know. Are you sampling something new this year? Not really, no. I mean, if I do sample size something new, I will tell you guys. But as of right now, I think the thing is, like, when I sample size things, chat, I do it without knowing that I'm actually doing it. I take notes in my head after losses and after trades, but I'm not like writing it down. Sometimes I do write it down in my notes app if I do see something that's very specific, but for the most part, my mind is always sample sizing something. Like, I'm taking note of something there. Like, I'm taking note of that trade there. Oh wait, I waited for this in that case. Okay, maybe next time I should wait for the same thing. You know, like I'm subconsciously taking notes in my head all the time, every time I take a trade. But I'm not like sitting there like writing each and everything down, because how my brain works is that as I subconsciously note things down in my head, I'll eventually see the same pattern again later down the road on a different trade. And as I start to see the same pattern again, I can actually write down my notes then and say, okay, wow, this is this. I need to see this to form before I take a trade next time. Blah blah blah. So that's how it works for me. You know, I subconsciously take notes in my head, and then eventually over time I actually write them out as I see it play out and happen more often. And that's me sample sizing or forward testing. That's how my mind works. I don't know how you guys work. Some of you guys work differently, but that's how I work. I write it down, but only after I see it a number of times. Like, for instance, like I had a note on my phone here. I wrote this down December 30th. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but I took a screenshot of it. I made a folder called 5 minute time for confirmation, whatever, and I just noted this down. Took a screenshot, circled it, noted it down, have a bunch of other stuff in that note too. If you want this, if you want me to share the note on iPhone Messenger, you need to Bitcoin me 2 Bitcoins. Because there's a lot of notes. I'm gonna need 2 Bitcoins for that, not gonna lie. Kidding. Should we trade with 10% of our actual trade size to avoid FOMO? What do you mean FOMO? How does risk management affect FOMO? What is the FOMO? Any suggestions for beginners? Yeah, finish babypips.com. Babypips.com, a good website to start off. I was wondering if you sampled hedging to manage a risk previously or plan to do it in the future. Hedging? No, I don't sample. I don't hedge. I don't hedge. I haven't hedged since I first started trading. Since I was a beginner, a newbie, I don't hedge. Because I don't swing trade a hedge. Like, I scalp, right? So there's no point in me scalping and hedging. You know what I mean? It's like, if I have one position, I have one position. If one position doesn't play out, I'm just gonna close it off and move on to the next position. Thoughts on SMC? If it works, it works. Don't have to tell you. Say again the website. Oh, babypips.com. That is the beginner website. But yeah, babypips.com. No longer doing third lot. I am. I just haven't done it yet. I am. What I risk there? 50 pips on this trade, 20 lots. That's around 5K. That's around 5K, right? No, I'm tripping. That's 10K. It's around 10K. Yeah, 10K. So that risk on this trade here was about if it were to hit stop loss, would have been I did 6.4 1.7 risk or 1.7% risk. Yeah, that was 1.7% risk trade. Not too bad. We gained around like 0.8% there, something like that, right? 1.7 divided by 2. We gain around 8 to 9%, 8% I'll say. Not too bad. Or 0.8%. I'm tripping. 0.8%. Not 8%. Can you see a buy signal? Okay, my friend. Right now, you're in the range here, right? You have a resistance here, and you have a support down here. This is the range you're in, and this is the range you want to avoid. Why? Because in this area here, price is gonna go up, it's gonna go down, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, it's going left, right, sideways, up to here, back here, up here. You know, it's gonna move everywhere. And the more you look at this range, the more you are gonna lose your mind. So if you want actual positions and actual direction today in price, you need to break out these ranges, right? So below these ranges is where 1834. Above these ranges is where 1841. What happens when you break above 1841 on a higher time frame? Well, in that case, the daily time frame breaks the highs, and the daily time frame likely is going to drive up towards next resistance, which is going to be 1844, 1846, right? But if you don't break above that range on daily and you start to break below that, I'm in the range I just drew out below 1834, you can start to say, okay, well, the daily time frame has closed below the range here, or close bullish, but respecting this resistance. So at any given point today, price can flip bearish. So as you break below 34, you can start to anticipate the day candle doing this today, right? And as it starts to reject on the higher time frame on the daily, the 4 candle starts to flip bearish. The 1 hour starts to flip bearish, break the lows. 1 hour has no top wick here, so you see price end up making its way back down towards 1830.29 and so forth, and then eventually make its way back down towards you know, wherever on the daily. So that is why I got my ranges where they are. But whatever happens in between, we're not touching, because that range is very messy, and you don't want to be part of that range today. Especially after taking a trade already, you don't want to be playing this range. Even if you weren't to take a trade, I wouldn't be touching this range. Simple, just buys above 41 and sells below 35. That's it. As a beginner, I am having difficulty in controlling my emotions. I sometimes take 10% of my actual trade size to avoid FOMO. But how do you have FOMO when you're in the trade? How is that possible? You may have FOMO of not having a bigger account, but again, brother, one trade isn't going to change your life. You win that trade, okay, cool, your account flips, but that's not going to change your life. I promise you. It's not going to change your life. Why? Because it has to be consistent. It has to be consistent, constant gains. It can't be a one and done. I just make 10% one day and not make 10% ever again the next day, right? And 10% isn't that sustainable because, again, 10%, you have like what, 9 trades until you blow your account? Like 4 trades until you go 50% of your account. It's not worth risking that much. So, like what's the FOMO? You have, like, how old are you? Yeah, plenty of time to trade, no matter how old you are. Plenty of time to get better and improve. Plenty of time to grow your account. But you need to focus on the discipline first. Focus on being true to your plan, and then the rest will fall naturally in place. FOMO should make you risk 10% though. You know, if anything, that's more of a greed. That's more greed, not FOMO. Fresh color change your life. Yo, yes. Wait, started trading. I started trading at 19 or 18. My neighbor is cutting the grass because of that I couldn't hear the alarm. Okay, so you're telling me if you couldn't hear your alarm, hold on, if you couldn't hear your alarm, that means that the grass was louder than the alarm, and the alarm is supposed to wake you up. If the alarm usually wakes you up and the grass is louder than the alarm, how does that work? You should be waking up. Bro, that's crazy. I've never heard of that one before. That's crazy. What up, Kieran?
How you doing?
What's up? What's up?
Chilling.
Chilling? Got that trade with us?
I did, yeah. I closed full at 19 pips.
Jeez. Nice.
Feeling better?
Yeah, I feel good. I feel fine.
Had some dog ate my homework bullshit. Yeah, for real.
Your dog ate your homework. What that excuse?
The dog ate my PC. Damn, did Wix get pulled over? This has been the longest 10 minutes ever.
Wait, Tyson Fury and Tommy Fury are brothers?
Yeah.
Bro, I thought Tyson Fury was his dad. How old is Tyson?
I think he's only like 34 or some shit like that. I don't think he's that old.
Tyson Fury is only 34? Damn, he's only 34. That is crazy. He looks 60. Damn. That's cool.
Oh, half brothers. Okay. That makes a bit more sense.
Don, talk about your time rules. Wait for the 4-hour close or when you use the 5. What does that mean? You gotta be more specific. Reversing through a road crosser? No, bro, you a menace.
Wix is GTA.
Reversing through a road crosser? No. Bro, which type of guy to reverse on the highway when he misses his exit? Hold on, let me just get through this. Oh man, yeah, comments open there just now. At actually no, comments open didn't do anything. This thing closed bullish. This thing closed back in the range. Oh, you need to break the 1 hour lows here. 1 hour lows is at 34 here. If you don't break the 1 hour lows, any given point you can flip. Hold on, I'm gonna get some water, chat. I'm that thirsty.
Ja, 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 ja. Is she playing with pocket options too? What? Are you asking that because you want him to be using pocket options? This is FOREX, not binary. $22, same age as Dawn. Hey, thank you. Glad you stopped by. Is that FTMO? Is Don's account FTMO? No.
No.
You missed Marcos. He was here this morning.
I thought I'm going to Vegas with Marcos.
Hell yeah. And me.
Yeah, you're invited. The whole dealer squad invited. I'm trying to tell Wix to come.
I'll get my passport. I'll try to come.
You don't got your passport?
No, it expired. I have to renew it.
We're going on the 22nd of April, potentially. I'm not going 100% yet, but likely I'm going to go if Marcos is down and stuff. So I want to go. I want to watch that fight in real life.
Yeah, that'll be a good one too.
Where's ComFX? I missed that guy. Everyone message ComFX and ask him where he's at. Is he playing on pocket options? No, not pocket options. Think or swim? This is Azud. So XAU USD gold. Azud. We like to call it Azud. On Think or Swim, I think it's called Azud too. I don't know. I never use Think or Swim. I think that's a stockbroker. No, I don't know. Like I've never touched that broker. So I'm pretty sure they have gold, or I don't think they have gold actually. Aren't they regulated in America? You can't trade gold. You can't trade CFDs. On Think or Swim, I don't think so. I could be wrong though, but. Hider, I'm confused about that question because like, what do you mean? Like, when I wait for the 4 hour close, well, every 4 hour close. So every 4 hour close is 1:49 p.m. 1:59 p.m. and 1:59 a.m. every 4 hour close, right? So 1 a.m., 5 a.m., 9 a.m. You have 1 p.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m. That's every 4 hour close. So yeah, 6 in a day. And then as for, yeah, so when you're about to close in the 4-hour time frame, I'll likely look at the last 15 and avoid the last 15-minute time frame of that 4-hour close, because I would like to see how price closes on the 4-hour close. And also, if the 4-hour hasn't done so yet, usually what will happen on the 4-hour close is when you're about to close, you'll likely pull back to leave a wick, right? And as you leave a wick, you can start saying that that's a smaller time frame pullback, because the higher time frame is just creating a wick for a higher time frame wick fill. In this case, like if you look at the 4-hour time frame right now, the 4-hour time frame already pulled back, so I'm not too worried about the last 15 here, but I would preferably wait for the 4-hour close at this point, because I want to see how this 4-hour candle closes here. It can either close below this zone here, or it can close above these zones here. But again, like I said, right, the daily is heavily bearish today, or not heavily bearish, but it's bullish today, but you're respecting resistance. Any given point can flip bearish at 1826. So the 4-hour close will be very key here, because it'll tell you more information regarding if we're gonna close below here or above here, right? And if you do close below here, then the next 4-hour close will likely see price break down and come down towards the bottom of the range, like so, in about 20 minutes here. So let's see what happens. But yeah, in this case, that's what I'll do. I'm not sure if that was your question. I'm confused. But yeah, hopefully that helped you. We're gonna take another trade. We'll see. I'll see. Maybe a 9, but I want to see the 9 a.m. candle closes there. Was February a hard month? Our emotions had no trade for 2 days. Got me. February for me was the best month. We had no losses February. On stream, off stream, signals channel, on the live streams, MT5, no losses all around. February was pretty good. We didn't have a lot of trades though, but it was a pretty good month. Yeah. Nothing was different for us, at least. That was not 10 minutes, bro.
I got stuck behind a school bus and a traveling circus.
You need to get a ramp. Every time you see a school bus, put a ramp behind it and just go right over.
I need to get a jetpack. Just fly over these bitches. There goes that man.
I got my first parking ticket yesterday.
Word.
Yo, parking tickets don't do anything to your record, right? It doesn't like do anything.
I don't know. You guys are in Canada. It's weird in Canada. Like,
no, it doesn't. It doesn't. I got a parking ticket. I was like, what? $50? Only $50 for this? I'm like, bro, I'm gonna park here every time then.
Criminal. Yo, honestly, in some places, it is fucking cheaper to get a hydrant ticket than it is to fucking park. Like all day parking, $50. Hydrant ticket, $35.
Bro, for real, I'm gonna get a parking ticket
like,
every
what?
day then.
Yo, don't touch my hydrant right there.
Yo, can someone explain to me the difference between a blow-off valve and a cold intake? I swear they sound the exact same.
And a what? And a cold air intake? No, so the cold air intake makes your car sound. And the blow-off valve. No, and the blow-off valve. And so you think it's the exhaust, right? It's not the exhaust that's giving you that sound. That's the intake. But when you do the, that's the show-off valve.
That's the valve, right?
The show-off valve. I swear
when I accelerate my cold intake, it has like that sound too. But not when you.
You know, technically, I think it kind of brings the power down. It releases the air, right? Yeah, blow off is for turbo. That's right.
I'm getting an exhaust.
You have to have a turbocharged car to have a show off valve.
I got a twin turbo.
Twin turbo.
Nah, bro. The other day I was filling my gas yesterday at a gas station. This car comes next to me, smirks at me, looks at M4. He goes, he's a little kid, right? But then next thing you know, he came with the Volkswagen. You know those cars that they kind of just build up. So he came with Volkswagen, and it was like he had a loud ass blow-up valve. He took off, bro. I swear he did it on purpose. He sees my car, he took off, did the widest turn ever with the fastest speed, out of the gas station. I'm like, bruh. Like, shh. I'm like, bruh. You have to do all that, man. You know, like, you have to do all that.
You thought you were cute.
He was like, yeah.
Look at this car.
Oh yeah,
It's got another seat for you.
we can hang out. I got a big parking lot.
It's like, I can tell we have some similar interests.
I'll park your whip in my lot.
Yo, is there a point of, do I upgrade my exhaust and my downpipe, or just my exhaust and do my downpipe?
What? No. You all you gotta do is look fast. You're not going anywhere, right? It's fucking snowing.
You're right. You're right.
It's fucking Canada. Where are you flying to? You just need to look fast. You get a big ass, like you go to the shop and tell them, look, find me the biggest wing you can. Take the shit off the 747. I don't give a damn.
Bro, I saw a mini spoiler
Get me the
today.
biggest fucking wing ever. I want it to be obnoxious as fuck.
Yo, I
So
saw a mini spoiler today. Why do people have that?
honestly, I pulled the guy over and I asked him. I was like, "Why you have that?" He's
No,
like,
like people. I saw a lot of
serious.
people with these things. Like, does it actually do anything to your car?
"No way,
That's like, there's no shot.
no way."
No, I've seen so many people with the spoiler
see how
in
it's just
Toronto.
decorative?
I'm like, what the?
Yeah. You gotta get the baby spoiler.
Is it like just like is this just a trail thing? Like, does that
Yeah.
do anything?
But
Provides no additional aerodynamics to your car.
this shit, what if that shit don't add 40 horsepower? I'm not fucking with it.
Man, I saw so many of these in Toronto. I'm like, wow, people actually have these. That's kind of cool. I want one.
Stickers too. Sticker give you 0.5 horsepower per sticker.
Let's see.
Aerodynamic.
Biggest spoiler ever. This,
Bro, what the fuck is that?
this is the
I'm
shit
on
Wixon I got. Yeah, I swear Wixon got one.
No, that's some
Yo.
obnoxious.
That's like
No, I'm talking about like legit, but like obnoxious. Not talking about like
Ooh, the little
shit that don't make
Supra.
sense.
that green one is the car from Cars.
Yeah, like you see the Supra's done dope. Like, get me some massive spoiler. Get me some wide body. Like, I want to take up the whole fucking lane. Yeah, these people are just out of their mind right now. Put a bench on the fucking trunk.
This is what
It's a
Wixon.
park bench.
This is the wide ball Wixon want.
What the... It looks like that fucking
Yeah, that
fish.
Yeah.
Puffer fish.
No, the one that's like a total fucking blob.
Bro, this is a wide car, man. Like, wait, you need two parking spots to this. Oh man, this is my dream car right here. One of my dream cars.
That's a Nismo too.
Chat, this or a Urus next.
Chat's gonna let you know when they're getting one.
I can get one once they come to the streams for a year plus. Chat. 294? Oh, I am 294. But I don't know. I might just get the exhaust and not tune it, or I might just do a stage 1 tune. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm still thinking. Yo, if I tune a car, do I gotta retune it later on, or no? It's tuned forever, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cause doesn't it have tune, like it doesn't like.
The maintenance is different though.
True. Trackhawk.
But like, if you ever want to bring it back to the
Fire.
dealership and like trade it back into them, you're gonna have to like put it back to stock.
Nah, I know it's fire, man. The red key, the red key,
The Dodge.
SRT red, yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking clean. It's a really nice one here in town.
I've never seen one in Toronto. I swear.
Really? Actually, yeah, I feel like every time I'm in Toronto, like the SUV I see the most of is the fucking Tahoe.
I never see the red key. or the red eye.
Have you seen the fucking the Caravan with the Hellcat engine in it?
Oh man, there's this one. I saw this one end, the loudest startup engine ever. I gotta show you guys the video. Bro, this is some stuff that Wix down, dude. Wix does some noxious stuff like this for sure. Loud cold start ever. Is it a Dodge or a Jeep? Oh wait. Bruh. It was so loud.
We're gonna have a little goat start it. Are you ready? Cover your ears, alright? Don't start it yet. Wait for me to go far. You're about to hear this thing. I'm gonna go all the way down the block. Ready? There's room.
I didn't think you'd hear from
I'm
here.
going deep. Let's see y'all can hear it. Alright, start her up.
Nah, bro, you got like a fan at the damn.
No, bro. Like, imagine, you know, you're trying to steal a car and this is start trying to steal. Bro, you're not going nowhere.
You're like, shh.
Yeah, imagine every morning the whole neighborhood hears yours.
Word, I'd be like, yo, something wrong with your fucking Mustang, bro. Take that shit to the shop.
Bro, that sounds like my farts.
Broken.
Bro. Vincent,
I'm telling you, he walked over to like a lawnmower behind the scenes.
like, how do I get it to sound like that?
You ever seen the video of the cops showing up to the garage, and it's like, yeah, we heard like gunshots over here, and it's like a Mexican dude working on the car, and he's like, no, it's the car. And he starts it off. It's literally like a 2002 Honda Civic. So fucking clapped. It sounds like an AK going off.
Oh, my friend, it's the car.
Yeah, it's car. It's car.
All right, we're waiting for next chat. I mean, we're waiting for next because we're traders here, right?
Oh wait,
so
I'm
we gotta
looking
get our
at it.
trades
I'm looking
today,
at it right
you
there.
know?
Yeah. Yeah, go back right there. Yeah.
Sorry if I meant.
We need to respect this on a 4-hour close here. So I'm looking. If we're gonna start respecting this on the 4-hour close here in 8 minutes, and we can close above here. The thing is, this 5 minute is 5 minutes before the 4-hour close. So not much we can do here for them. But as long as the 4-hour doesn't close back in range, we can start continue looking for buys. But if it does, range
For
should be
buys,
good.
we're looking for buys above 38, 41.
I want the 4-hour to respect.
Oh yeah, the 4 closed 6 minutes. Yeah.
I want the 4-hour to respect that area.
I'm having a hard time believing this is the 4-hour bottom wick. That's my only issue. I really thought that last night. Cause I saw this. This is when I went to sleep. This one. That was cool for a price to drive up. But this one, I'm like, really expect this to bottom wick at least to like 25 or something. But
And at some point, you really expect the weekly to retest the lows, to come back down to the lows.
like I'm expecting the day to close bearish today. But oh look, that NPC dog is right back.
What is he doing, bro?
I put a treat up there, and he couldn't fully reach it. Go get it.
Yo, that dog was refurbished.
Word, well, you got a broken dog, bro.
he straight up is.
Your dog's broken.
That was refurbished. Bro, should I wake my dog on the weekend? No, that week was the weekend. No, it was yesterday. It was like 2 days ago, Monday. And he said, "Yo, that dog's refurbished." I was dying.
I got my dog off Wish.
You know your dog's refurbished when like you throw a ball at him, and the dog doesn't move. It looks at you like, oh,
Yeah, he just lets it hit him.
You threw a ball. That's how you know dog's refurbished.
Where did it go, George?
That was not a brand new dog. That was refurbished by Geek Squad. Hungry
Twerk.
doggo.
Twerk. Twerk, doggy.
Oh, she twerked for them.
I was like, yo, get the fuck out of my bedroom. Who the fuck is this guy sitting on my computer chair? In my bedroom.
What burgers you used on? I used BlueberryMarkets. Top left corner, BlueberryMarkets. That's what I use. Hey, chat, what percent you make today? Everyone spam in the chat what percent you made today on today's stream. Or on your own, at least. I don't really care, right? On your own or on today's stream. As long as you made something cool. If you didn't, that's cool as well. Be honest. You gotta be transparent. Don't lie, though. I don't want to hear no 100% today, okay?
It's not a fucking stream without a 100%er.
Yeah. 10%, 2%, 3%, 0.7, 0.8. What'd you make, Wix? I made 0.8 today. 0.88-ish.
I mean, between both sessions?
Probably 2%.
No, 1%.
Not too bad.
Cause this trade in the morning was half risk.
Oh, really? How come?
Because we were getting an hourly closure, so I was gonna add on risk once the hourly pulls back
Uh-huh.
on the flip. Gonna add full risk on the flip. But it's alright, we drove, so I was part of it, right? Still W. Pray for cells. For cells.
What's your dog looking at, bruh?
The snow.
Yeah.
It's snowing?
No, he just literally is just looking outside at the. He just likes snow. He eats it.
Yeah, you're not
Yo,
hungry for sure,
don't
bro.
eat yellow snow.
Bro, dog be
not
eating his
eat
own
yellow
yellow snow.
No, like so.
Oh look, snow cone.
I'll take him outside and I'll throw around the fucking deflated football I have, and then he'll just like stop for a second and start eating snow. It's
Bro, I
fucking
love
weird.
dogs, bro. I want a dog. Pray for cells. Pray for love. Pray
Strip
for
for cells.
cells. Why you want to pray for cells? Well, cells don't happen. Why don't you get buys then? Cells don't happen. If buys don't happen, why don't you get cells? Why you gotta pray when you can be a bandwagon? One thing about being a trader is that you can be a bandwagon. You know, we're bandwagoners, honestly. Me, I'm a bandwagon. You don't have to pick a side in trading. That's a good part. You always switch up. You're never loyal to a bias. Always switch up. Always change directions. Where price go, I go. Treat trading like LeBron fans, you know? That's what you want to do.
Yeah, you can't pray till you're in a trade.
Yo,
That's the only time prayers work.
have you seen the Leafs this year? All the trades they did?
Okay.
If we
Are you
don't
in the
win the
playoffs?
cup this year, man, I am gonna go out sad.
How are you winning the cup? Rangers are taking it.
Oh, Rangers got someone too. They got Patrick Kane. Holy, they got Patrick
I
Kane.
found out yesterday.
They're not gonna win it until it's.
Hold on, who did they
exactly
give up for
60.
Kane? Who did we lose?
You guys give up Zibanejad. You guys give up.
That's terrible.
You guys
My
give
favorite
up.
player.
You guys give up.
We got rid of Mika?
I'm kidding. He hasn't given no one. He hasn't given draft picks up, I think. Something like that.
We didn't give up Mika, did we?
You guys give up. Who's the other guy named? Who's your star player? Panarin. Nah, you guys
But he
good.
wasn't
I
doing
think
it.
you guys give a draft pick or something. You guys give some weak player. Some draft picks. The Leafs are stacked though, bro. Like, I don't know what to tell you, man. We're beating Boston. Are you calling it a day? I'm not gonna lie, man. The 4 are closed the way it is right now. Yeah, probably. Probably, chat. The 4 are closing right here. I mean, it's closing in the range. You can say that, but like, do you really need to take another trade today when the markets look like this and you took a trade already? If it's not the cleanest setup, what's the point of taking it? Might as well wait for next day.
Oh, what? We gave up nobody, 2 draft picks and an AHL guy.
Yeah, because you guys needed you guys have cap space. You guys have a lot of cap
Yo,
space.
they're making this is for the run at the cup, dog. This we got Kreider, Tarasenko, Panarin, Kane, Zibanejad, Tracek. What, bruh? Stop playing games right now. Yeah, wow, this is cup or bust for the Rangers right now. Panarin, no Panarin.
Oh, we're playing the Oilers tonight.
Yeah, bread.
Oh shit, it's a good game.
Yeah, they're pretty stacked too.
No, we are stacked, bro. Matthews, Tavares, Marner,
Yeah,
Will Nylander, O'Reilly. Our defense is stacked now too. Riley, Brody. Fucking we got McCabe, Luke Shen. We're stacked. Mark Giordano, we're stacked. We're stacked. We are stacked. Because injury. Oh man, we're stacked. We are stacked.
Yeah, but you're not New York Rangers stacked.
New York stacked too. What? Matthews?
You know
Bro,
who's
we have
stacked
John
right now?
Tavares on the second line right now. That's how you know we're stacked. Chad's like, who watches hockey, bro? Me, man, I watch hockey, yo. Oh man, yeah, chat. Man, I am gonna call it a day here, chat. You know, it's a good day. You know, we take a trade early today. We have the 4 closes now. The 4 count close back into range is bullish. Yeah, so there's a high chance there's a possibility that you could drive up. You could see a push up here towards top of the range here. However, I would expect the bomb wick first. If you're looking for buys still, I would expect the bomb wick. And I was a little concerned about this forward count because I really expect that bomb wick coming down to these levels to the left here before making its way up, grabbing liquidity down here. And that could possibly still happen here. But I mean, who knows if that's gonna happen? You can just drive up from here, fill the wick without even creating a bomb wick, right? But for me to take more buys today, I'm gonna want a bomb wick in a 4-hour time frame before we look for buys going up. I know it's a stretch, but I would prefer that, to be honest. We're in a tough situation right now. We're in a tough range right now. I would honestly, if I were you guys, wait for this range to break out. Anything above, I guess above 1840 would be clean going up, or even 42, sorry, going up towards 47. But I mean, like, it's in this range right now. You don't want to be part of this range. You don't want to touch this range, especially after taking a trade already. Right? No need to force another trade today when you did your thing today already. But yeah, chat, I think that's it for me. Call it a day. 1 trade today. W day. The streak continues. That's our I think 9 straight on stream, right? 1, 2, 3, shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on stream straight. And in a single channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, chat. That's it for me. I'm gonna call it a day. Love you guys. Thank you for being here today. Leave a like if you guys haven't done so yet.
But before you go, make sure you hop onto the Wixnon channel, follow, and sub.
But yeah, go Wixnon stream tonight. Asian session plug right now.
Yes, 11 hours from now we will be live, 8 p.m. Eastern. Be there, be square. We had a nice W yesterday, had a nice W here this morning. So let's continue the streak. March is in full effect. Winter's over. Winter's done. Here comes spring, right? So we're approaching Q2, approaching the high volume times. This is the time to really tune in, lock in, and supercharge your accounts, right? So be there at 8 p.m. Eastern.
Yes, sir. $8 p.m. Eastern tonight, 8:03 to be honest. That sounds a little late. Yeah, but whenever TD opens up, right? 8:03, 8:04. But yeah, once Wixon on Blueberry, he'll come out 8 every day. Yeah, chat. I'm gonna play a Wordle, and then I guess we can call it a day. Wordle Squirtle. Trade. One day it's gonna be trade.
A little Wordle Squirtle, huh?
Okay, trade. Oh man, I killed it on Friday. We killed it.
On Monday, you killed it.
Monday, my bad.
Trade.
Something like this. Like what could it be?
Spike. Oh, we got an S.
Easy.
Those chose.
Goose.
I was gonna say 2 O's maybe. Yeah, definitely 2 O's. Loose.
Oh.
Oh no!
All right, hold on. It's either moose
Booth.
or noose.
Oh. I feel like it would be moose. There's no way they're like, hey, kids. Moose.
It's gotta be moose.
Yeah.
If you lose, be relatable though.
You gotta go with the most logical
I
one.
think
You go
moose.
with the
Moose most logical
Moose.
one.
Moose, yeah. I mean,
Yo, hold on though. hold on.
it doesn't matter what else it can be. Moose is the most logical one.
Fucking if you lose, this already. Oh, yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, noose. Like, yeah, you're right. Look at that win rate, man. Insane.
Sane in the membrane. Sane in the brain.
Just
We
that
remember
one.
Homer. They'll never. They won't let us live that down.
Is that your birthday?
Max. What up, stop loss?
Trade, buy, sell, gold, dollar,
Red.
win, lose, red, blue,
Kids, family.
color,
Mom.
orange, strawberry, paint, art, mood. Okay, red. What's
School.
red?
Apple.
Food.
Ladybug.
Cracker.
Steak.
Cracker's not a word.
Rare.
Medium. Shirt. Burger. Fries.
Trade. Range.
Chillin', bro. How you doing? How was London session?
Work. So it's not work, vacation.
Fruit. Cherry. Nice. I didn't catch anything during
Cool.
London. I was sleeping. Had
What's
a
good? Watermelon.
Asian session.
Watermelon.
Cherry. Tomato.
What's going on, man? What's going on, man? What's going on, man? What's going on, man?
Tomato.
Green.
Oh, tomatoes. You know I love tomatoes.
Whoa. Tomatoes. Green. Yo, I'm
Grape.
cool. Grape.
No, green. Kale.
But fruit.
Oh, yeah, green fruit. Kiwi.
Pear. Shout out to all my pears.
Green, green.
That's it's not colors then.
Apple.
Bro, what the hell, man? What the hell, man?
Shake.
Shake, 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 shake.
Green drink.
Water. Oh, recycle.
Green water.
Grass.
Spoiled.
Grass. Grass. Grass it is. Grass, grass, grass. All right, that's game.
Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in myself.
Pile.
Help.
Gotta get a pulp somehow. How to get a pulp? Pure? Oh,
Q.
no. Wait. What? Peel?
No, but 2 L's. No L's? Can't put 2 L's there? Hell. No. I think we gotta restart. I think Belly wasn't. There we go.
Nah.
Start with pill.
Wait. Okay, I'm done. Wait. Yeah, I'm done.
Hill.
Was it?
Yeah. So start with pill. And then hell.
Help.
And then
Help heap.
yeah. Or heal.
Ah. Thanks for carrying us. Nice. Thank you, Kieran.
Gotcha.
Me and Wix would have been there for hours. That one time me and Wix were on that game for an hour, I swear. And it was the hardest game of all time. I didn't think you would have solved it, to be honest.
We were like, who the fuck introduced us to this shit?
Oh, where was it again?
Whose idea was this?
I remember that morning too, because I was walking to physio and I chimed in.
It was a Saturday morning. That was
Yeah.
terrible.
That was the day of the back
Simulation.
testing session. Yeah.
Going back to your back testing. All right, chat T. I'm gonna call it a day. Peace out. Love you guys. Thank you for coming by today. Leave a like, sub to the channel if you guys are new. Have a good day, guys. If you guys start trading today, make sure you guys use stop loss and wear protection. All right, more trades to come. Start of a new month. Start off great. Let's keep it going and continue the momentum we had from February. Right? If Wick's not is stream tonight, or he is streaming tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, so make sure you guys tune into that stream. Other than that, guys, catch out or peace out. Catch out tomorrow. Later, guys. Later, chat. Later, chat. Later, chat. Love you guys.
Peace out.
Where should I drive to today? I'm bored.
Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, and Saga, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Factory one. I'll meet you there.
Alright, sounds good, buddy.
Pardon? To the gym?
Go to the fucking gym.
Yeah, I can go to the gym downstairs.
Go drive to Smashburger.
Nah, I'm trying to chill off of fast food.
There.
I'm going.
I cooked
I'm
some
going to
delicious. You saw my meal that I cooked on Saturday? For me, and my
Your
girlfriend.
steak?
Steak, mash, green bean.
Was it some chimichurri I saw too?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I'm going to Chipotle's.
Chipotle?
Yeah.
How far is that drive?
Chipotle. Like 8 minutes.
You hear how excited he got with Chipotle there? You know?
Perfect. Makes sense for Chipotle.
It's a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is. January and February is over. Now march your way out of here. Oh, I didn't leave a like. My bad. 700 likes. Let's get there.
Thank you, sir. Shoot, man, I didn't get no notifications. That's tough. That's tough.
Yo, I think they're all gone. We could trade now.
Yeah.
Yes.
It was W stream though.
They're out.
We got zoom in. Yeah. Got zoom in. You wanna join a Zoom call? Let's have everyone join a Zoom call right now. Let's see. What would be fucking crazy in here? One of these days, chat. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just open up a Zoom call for everyone, and let everyone speak at once and see how chaotic it gets. If it works out, cool. But if one blueberry ruins it for everybody, then that's tough. My birthday? Yeah, next month. Whose birthday is next? No, I'm next, right? When's your birthday, Kieran?
November.
Oh,
I'll be like
you're
last.
after Wix. Yeah. Wix is September 17?
16.
Fuck. 16.
Oh, I'm the 16th of November.
It's crazy. People think of it as birthday. I think of every time it hits that day, I age. That's the fucking.
Yeah, you don't age
Just that
until
one,
that.
just that one day. Yeah, the whole year you don't age. Just that one day you age. You zoom up a little bit. I swear one time though, chat. I don't know if I'm tripping, but it was New Year's, and I swear as New Year's hit, I saw a light flash by like.
The Men in Black.
I want what you're on. See, I'm over here smoking this lame shit right now.
No, one year
Trying to see some lights.
I saw some lights flash like just flash by me like just in an instant as we got into the New Year's.
It was a glow stick, fool.
You ever watch that movie Mike? Is it the one where his joints got caught up in a electric thing, electric wire on a TV? Is that like Mike? Or what is that?
Where the kid became the
Michael Jordan.
Yeah.
Right, he became good. Yeah. Like Mike, right? This one?
That's Bow Wow. That's little Bow Wow.
Yeah, that was insane. No, there was this one, like Mike too, right?
Bow Wow, yippee yo, yippee yay, where my dog at?
Was it like Mike one or like Mike 2, chat? Which one was that? When he had these Blazers, the Nike Blazers.
You don't see it.
This one, right?
Chat.
Oh yeah, I don't see it. Only you see it.
Chat, I got the ending credits.
Damn, it's crazy. It's nostalgic. You see mac and cheese
Nostalgic.
and watches on TV. On YTV. Alright, I'm gonna go to Shell V Power, chat. I go there every day. I go to Shell V Power every fucking day, man. My ways, you know how it shows like
you gotta get a-
previous routes. It's all V power, shell V
You need a
power.
rewards card, bro.
I do have one. I collected
You gotta
in,
shell
in
rewards.
1 week, bro. I'll show you how much I collected in 1 week so far,
We're at lifetime free gas soon.
bro. I have 91 dream miles already. I got air miles
Dream miles?
connected to it, so yeah, I'm gonna get free flights with this stuff. At least I'm getting points for it, you know. It's better than nothing.
Word. 4 more trips to Brampton, and I get a free flight to Vegas.
Bro, literally says history of gas: 21st, 25th, and 28th. That's within 7 days, 3 times.
And you're filling up every time, like you're waiting until you're almost empty.
Yeah, until the last bar, bro. No, that's because
And then
I'm not gonna lie, I did test it out though. I was trying to test out efficient mode versus sport plus. So I'm done testing it out now. I realized that efficient is honestly way more worth it.
They
I
weren't
went
lying,
in
it is
sport plus.
efficient.
I went in sport plus mode for the whole like since I got my tank and I went, bro. I hit 250 kilometers and it died out.
He said that's not worth it.
It is what it is. Go just made me a couple gas.
It is what it is.
All right, chat. Peace out. Love you guys. Catch you tomorrow.
Peace and love.
Later.